Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Luxxairpro Hair is probably one of the most exciting hair styling tools I've come across. Today, we're diving deep into the Luxxairpro Hair, exploring its features, and seeing if it lives up to the hype. I'll be sharing my personal experience, discussing its pros and cons, and helping you decide if this is the right hair styling tool for you. So, buckle up, because we're about to transform your hair game. Number 5. Olaplex Number 3 Hair Perfector. Is your hair dry and damaged? This treatment is designed to repair and strengthen all hair types. It's a concentrated formula that works wonders. This product helps to rebuild broken bonds in your hair. It leaves your hair feeling stronger and healthier. Whether your hair is fine, thick, straight, or curly, this product can help. It's formulated to work on all hair types, providing noticeable results. A little goes a long way with this concentrated treatment. You'll find that it effectively repairs and revitalizes your hair with each use. The results are amazing. Get ready to experience the difference with this hair perfector. It will transform your hair, making it look and feel its best. Try it today. What we like. This treatment repairs and strengthens your hair. It's perfect for those with dry or damaged hair. If you're looking to revitalize your locks and restore their health, you should consider it. What people say. This product is a great hair treatment product for men and women with damaged hair. This creation helps strengthen hair by repairing and healing each individual hair shaft with less noticeable split ends. This product has quick results, and after 2 to 3 washes, your hair is noticeably healthier and stronger. Number 4. Olaplex Number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. This is Olaplex Number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. It's designed to repair and strengthen your hair. It will leave your hair feeling incredibly soft. If your hair is damaged, this shampoo is your new best friend. It works to repair broken bonds within the hair. You'll notice a difference after just a few uses. Not only does it repair, but it also strengthens your hair. This shampoo nourishes each strand from root to tip. It helps to maintain healthy hair. Tired of dull hair? This shampoo adds incredible shine. It will make your hair look healthier and more vibrant. Whether you have fine, thick, straight, or curly hair, this shampoo is for you. It's gentle enough for all hair types. You can use it daily. Experience hair that's soft to the touch. It makes your hair more manageable and easier to style. Try it today and feel the difference. What we like. This shampoo repairs and strengthens your hair while adding shine. It leaves your hair feeling incredibly soft. If you want a shampoo that nourishes and improves your hair's overall appearance, you should consider this. What people say. The Luxxairpro Hair Dryer is lightweight and easy to handle. The concentrator nozzle is great for smoothing and styling. The cool shot button is a nice feature to set the style. Number 3. Viviscal Women's Hair Growth Supplements. Are you experiencing thinning hair or hair loss? Viviscal is backed by over 25 years of research and helps women achieve thicker, fuller hair. This supplement is designed to support your hair's natural growth cycle. This supplement contains marine collagen, biotin, zinc, and vitamin C. These essential nutrients nourish your hair follicles from the inside out, promoting healthier hair growth. It's like giving your hair the vitamins it craves. See results in as little as 3 months with this drug-free supplement. It supports stronger, healthier strands, helping to combat stress, hormonal changes, and aging. Start your journey to better hair today. Whether your hair is color-treated, fine, or thinning, this supplement is safe and effective. It promotes thicker hair and healthier-looking strands for all hair types. Give it a try and see the difference. Each package includes a convenient 1-month supply of 60 tablets. Take 2 tablets daily for optimal results and start seeing the change. It's a simple step towards achieving the hair you've always wanted. What we like. This supplement promotes thicker and fuller hair. It nourishes your hair from within with essential nutrients. If you're experiencing thinning hair or hair loss and want a natural solution, you should consider this. What people say. The Luxxairpro Hair Dryer is lightweight and easy to handle. It dries my hair quickly and efficiently. The cool shot button is a great feature for setting my style. Number 2. Braun Silk Expert Pro 5PL 5137 IPL with Venus Razor. Introducing the Braun Silk Expert Pro 5. This IPL device offers permanent hair reduction from the comfort of your home. You can say goodbye to unwanted hair with this convenient solution. Get salon quality results without the salon costs. With this device, you invest once and can retouch anytime. Experience up to 95% hair reduction in just 1 month. This device is clinically proven for facial, body, and pubic hair removal. It comes with different intensity settings and attachments for customized sessions, ensuring optimal results on every body part. See visible results in just 2 sessions. Full body treatments take only 10 minutes. It only requires 1 session per week, making it easy to fit into your routine. The skin tone sensor adjusts each flash for safe treatment, even in sensitive areas. It's dermatologically and gynecologically approved, and eye-safe, so you don't need glasses. What we like? This device offers permanent hair reduction from the comfort of your home. It's a cost-effective alternative to salon treatments. If you want to eliminate unwanted hair and save money, you should consider it. What people say. This routine has eliminated about 99% of dark hairs on my chin, and completely eliminated my extended sideburn, upper lip, and jaw regrowth. I now only need to shave these areas about once a month, and even then, my hair is softer, finer, and lighter. This device is very effective, especially for folks with high contrast hair skin, and will save you thousands of dollars in professional treatments. Number 1. Unicra Bride Silver Crystal Bridal Hair Vine. This beautiful hair vine is perfect for any bride. It's made with sparkling crystals and an alloy wire, designed to add a touch of elegance to your special day. The silver color complements any wedding dress. The product is 17.7 inches long, so make sure it fits your hairstyle. Crafted from alloy and rhinestones, this headpiece is designed to shine. It is bigger than it appears in the pictures. Secure it with hairpins to keep it in place all day. Be careful when removing it to preserve its shape. Ideal for brides, bridesmaids, or flower girls. If you have any quality issues, please contact us. Please note that the size might have a slight 2 cm 1 inch difference due to manual measurement. Also, the color may vary slightly depending on your monitor. What we like? This hair vine adds sparkle and elegance to your look. It's perfect for brides and special occasions. If you're looking to elevate your hairstyle with a touch of glamour, you should consider this. What people say. I used it for a bridal hairstyle, it looked beautiful. Used this on my wedding day. The hairstylist easily placed this in my hair basically like a crown. She bobby pinned it into place and it stayed fine the whole evening. Very delicate yet stunning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.